we have to grate the potato. So here we have grated potato, which is already boiled. To make potato chilla, we will put grated potatoes. Now to this we will add Rajgira flour and Singhara flour. I have used a mixture of both. Cumin seeds, half a teaspoon. Black pepper, half a teaspoon. Jeera powder, half a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of salt. Green chilies, 1 tablespoon. Cilantro, 1.5 tablespoon. Add some water and mix it. We'll need a little more water to this. This should be good. We want it to be not very thick but not runny either, in a medium consistency, which looks good now. And now we will make the chilla. Put a little bit of oil on the base so it does not stick. Then add a mixture carefully. A few scoops of it. Spread it and let it cook. Cover it with the lid and let it cook for 1 minute. So we can see the color has started to change on the sides. Let's flip it. Looks good. That's the color what we want. Nice and crisp. We'll cook it from this side for a minute and then it'll be done.